It's alright, honey. So we're gonna play that game. Alright. There you go. Alright, honey. Alright. And your cage is too big.
If you need me to grab her, I can.
Your cage is too big. You want to just step out first, and then we'll do that? Can you step out first? Come on. Step up. Good job. No, we don't go all the way up on my shoulder, though.
Princess.
No, we don't. Come on. Good job, Princess. Good job.
She's starting it to me.
Come on. Come on. Will you just step on the scale? We already have it on kicks. Come here. And I can put that. No.
You want me to get her to just stand over there? Come here. Hey, baby. You're scared. Come here. I know you're scared. Hey, what if I promise this isn't scary, okay?
Come here.
Wow, beautiful baby.
I know.
Aww.
One spot for the scale.
Oh, she doesn't understand.
Here. Can you jump down? Can you come down like you do in the tub? Come here. Come here. Come here.
It's okay.
Okay. I know you busy.
And it's already turned off.
Okay.
We'll move it out.
I was like, what on earth are you guys trying to do to me? Like, I so don't get this.
Well, also, if she lays backwards on her back like a baby, I can get a weight that way too.
Yeah, I know she'll do it when I
know.
rock her. You know, I can flip her
Okay.
upside down, but I've never tried laying her on her back, except on the bed to rub her. Come here.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Here.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, she's having a hard time breathing.
Oh, get down. You're alright.
It's
Oh
okay,
my gosh, so
baby.
scared.
It's okay.
Come here.
It's okay.
I know, honey. I'm
Might not
sorry,
do it.
honey. We